If your USB, external hard drive, or SD card refuses to format, and whenever you try to open it, you get the error saying, "Drive is not accessible. The volume does not contain a recognized file system," then, in this video, I'm going to walk you through two simple methods to fix this problem. If the first one doesn't work for you, you can try the second one, and I'm confident that at least one of these fixes will solve your issue. Alright, let's get started. First, open Command Prompt window as an administrator. In the first method, we're going to use the CHKDSK utility to repair the drive. So for this type, CHKDSK, then enter your drive letter. For example, my problematic drive is D, so I'll type D:/ F/X and then press enter. This command will scan your drive and repair file system errors, bad sectors, and other issues that may be preventing the drive from working properly. If this works, you'll see that your USB or external drive is accessible again in File Explorer. CHKDSK is a powerful tool for repairing storage issues, so hopefully it gets the job done. But if it doesn't work, then the next method is to use Diskpart to fix the problem. Before we move forward, I need to mention something important. This second method will completely format your drive, so make sure you're aware of that. To start, open Diskpart by going back to the Command Prompt window, type Diskpart and press enter. After that, type listdisk and press enter. It will show you all the drives connected to your system. In my case, I only have two drives. Disk 0 is my Windows main drive, and Disk 1 is my external drive with the issue. Make sure you clearly identify your problematic drive before selecting anything. Once you confirm the correct disk, type select disk, then type your problematic disk number and press enter. Now we'll clean the drive, type clean and press enter. After the drive is cleaned, type create partition primary and press enter, and then type format quick fs equal ntfs and press enter to format it. If the drive doesn't format and you see a message saying there is no volume selected, that means we need to choose the partition first. So type list partition and press enter. This will show the available partitions on that disk. Now type select partition, then partition number and press enter. Once the partition is selected, run the format command again. As you can see, the drive will start formatting. Once it reaches 100%, now go back to File Explorer and try access the drive, and I hope it should be working now. Diskpart is a very powerful and useful tool for formatting drives and creating partitions. It can fix many storage-related issues, especially when a drive refuses to format or starts showing other errors. In many cases, Diskpart can repair the problem when normal formatting methods fail. I hope this video helped you fix the drive not accessible or formatting issue. If it did, make sure to like the video. And if you're still having trouble or facing any other issues, feel free to comment. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.